Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making mug toppers. I made a couple of fake sprinkles to go on top of my mug toppers. I also have this cute little star that I made that's going to go on some cupcakes later. Now I've already baked these and I have to chop them up into little pieces. Now that we finished that, we're just going to go ahead and take my piping bag and we're going to do the icing part of the mug topper. I like to make two types of motions. I like to do the circular motion, and then when we get towards the top, I like to do the up and down motion to kind of make it look more realistic, like whipped cream. Next, we're going to add the sprinkles, the glitters, and all the embellishment on top of the whipped cream part. So just go ahead and take some fine glitter, sprinkle it around. I like to take the iridescent glitter and just sprinkle around everywhere because, you know, you can never have too much glitter. I'm going to add my peppermint here on top, all perfect. Then once I get it all situated, I'm going to go ahead and add the sprinkles that I made. I'm going to take a little bit of the red, sprinkle it around, and then I'm going to take the peppermint sprinkles that I made and then sprinkle that all around as well. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Do you love it? I'm going to repeat the process one more time. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that button. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Have a wonderful day. Bye.